Here's a quick look at the markets, the E-mini S&P in particular, from the eMiniDaytrader point of view for Thursday, April the 16th, 2009. Starting here as usual with our overnight and RTH, or regular trading hours, profiles. Here was yesterday in the red rectangle, and here's today in this red rectangle. In the green oval is the overnight trade. Well, we were looking for a bit of a pullback, most notably in the 46 area of support, which is right about here, and then we had a 44 area as another area of potential support, with leaning towards the upward bias. So the market did come down, test into our known support area. Actually, overnight it came a little bit lower than expected, but during the regular trading hours just came into it quite nicely, and then turned around, had a good rally for the rest of the day. So the market is really unfolding nicely right now. We're not getting that unsettled kind of volatility that we had been getting, and so it's making trading, much more readable, and it's good to see. The other area that we'd been mentioning is the 870 area as possible resistance, and you can see that today we did rally all the way up to 867. So we look to have some support in around the 857 area today for tomorrow. That's an area of support we're looking at. The next area below that would be down all the way in about 850 or so. We only had 2 trades today, which was kind of surprising. We came very close to having more trades. We ended up by getting long off of this deceleration, so we had a nice 4-point move there. We had another short in here, which did reach our first objective, but in essence it was a break-even trade. We came within just a tick of getting filled right here when the market made new highs. Tried to get in, but the structure just did not support that kind of trade, so it was unfortunate. So we ended up with the 2 trades. The support areas that we were looking for was down around 44 in around here, and then the other one was around the 46 area. So these were the 2 areas of known support. We were anticipating that the market could come down and find some support. It did here initially twice, actually. So the first time had a bit of a bounce, the news came out, tested again, another bounce, and then finally the test down through, but really no follow through to speak of, and then the market basically marched up for the rest of the day. So we're looking at in around the 57 area, 58 area for support, and then around 56, and then down as low as even 49 for support if the market should get that low, either overnight or tomorrow, with the expectation that quite possibly the market could test up to the 870 area, the area of resistance that we've been looking at now for a couple of weeks, as this market continues its upward bias. So we really do feel the upward bias is continuing, and will remain to have a bias to trade alongside in our trading going into tomorrow. And that's really what we're looking at as far as trying to place trades at this point of the game. We will monitor, though, 870, which is probably going to be some fairly strong resistance. So if we can get back into a pullback, possibly as low as 49 or 50, or in the 55 area, maybe even in the 58 area, if something sets up, then that would be great for us to get on the long side, with the expectation of testing today's high at 67, and then the other known resistance area around 70. So it's good to see that this up auction is still, was confirmed today, is still in effect. So that's a quick look at what we're doing here at eMiniDaytrader, and of course our website right here. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Just send us an email at info@eMiniDaytrader.com. So that'll be it for Thursday, April the 16th, 2009.